Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I just thought I'd come on to share with you guys my favorite apps that I use to edit my videos. So if you're new to YouTube and you've just created a channel and you kind of need some guidance and just some good recommendations, and then this video is for you. If you don't have a laptop or a computer, that's completely fine. So I remember creating my first ever YouTube video, and it was the hardest thing for me at the time because I was so oblivious to how to even go about it. Where do I start? What I did was I watched so many different YouTube videos on how to create your channel art, how to create thumbnails, the correct sizing. Then I came across Canva. Guys, Canva, this app literally changed everything, the whole game, because I used to struggle with creating my thumbnails, and that was because every time I thought I had an app that would help me with it, I would upload my thumbnail and it just wouldn't be the correct size. It just wouldn't fit the frame correctly, and it was like either too small or it was just too large for the actual frame itself. So I had so many issues with that in the past, but Canva has literally everything set up for you, whether it's logos you're trying to create, leaflets, YouTube thumbnails, channel art. And another thing I really like about this Canva app is that when you're creating your thumbnails, it gives you options like removing your background, which is amazing, enhancing, just little things that make your thumbnail of good quality. And that's what I really like about this app. I haven't come across any other app just because I'm quite content with the one I've got right now. Fonto wasn't really that bad, but there wasn't a lot of features that you can play around with on the app, which is why I didn't really like it, and it was quite confusing. So yeah, definitely give Canva a try. If you're someone who struggles with thumbnail making, it's gonna solve all your issues, I promise you. Moving on to the video editing app that I use, it's called Filmmaker Pro. I really like this app. Once you open the app, it gives you the option if you want it vertical, horizontal, and this app basically has the basic features that you need in order to put videos together. Also, I definitely feel like the type of app that you get depends on your content. You guys know mine is mainly based on whereas gamers probably invest in a lot more because theirs is more technical, includes like green screening and all of that. So I'm sure that it's probably a bit more techie for them. And yeah, that is literally all for this video, guys. Let me know what type of editing apps that you guys are using. I might try something new. Really hope me sharing these apps with you have been useful. Let me know how it works, see if you do try it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.